In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to find your Teams area, create a new team when you need one, open an existing team, add or remove people, and refresh the team's cover so everything looks organized and easy to recognize. Start on your Monday.com. Home. If you're not already there, use the Home option or logo to return to your main workspace. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures the menus you need are easy to find. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with account-related options. From here, choose Teams. Teams in Monday.com group people by function or project so you can assign work, mention an entire group at once, and control who sees what without adding individuals one by one. On the Teams page, you can create a new team. Click New Team and give it a clear, descriptive name so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Think in terms of how your organization actually works, like a department, a cross-functional squad, or a temporary project group. A good name now saves confusion later. Now, open the team you want to manage. For example, you might choose a marketing group if that's where you're working today. Opening the team takes you to its profile page, where you'll handle membership and visual settings. To add members, use the Add or Invite option on the team page, then search for people already in your account. Choose the colleagues who should be part of this team to keep communication and ownership clear. To remove someone who no longer belongs in that group, open the member list, find their name, and select the Remove option. This helps maintain the right access without cluttering other teams or confusing notifications. If you don't see options to add or remove people, it may be a permissions issue. Team owners and admins usually control membership, so check with your workspace admin. Finally, change the team cover to make the page instantly recognizable. Click Change Cover and pick an image or style that fits the team's identity. A thoughtful cover improves wayfinding, especially when you have many teams. Aim for consistency. Matching colors or imagery across related teams can make navigation feel effortless. That's it. You went from Home, into your profile menu, into Teams, created a clearly named team when needed, opened the specific team you're managing, updated the member list, and refreshed the cover. Use these steps whenever your organization grows or responsibilities shift. And your Monday.com workspace will stay clean, accurate, and easy for everyone to use.